This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only. And anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. Double check you're still subscribed to the channel. Double check your notifications are on. And if you hit that like button, double check it is working properly. Because the bad actors are terrified that we become aware of, that more people become aware of all the fraud and corruption in the United States stock market. Listen, the more we stay in the AMC GME play, the more we investigate and do DD. And of course, they think that we close our eyes and throw darts at boards in order to pick financial instruments to invest our hard-earned money in. But every day I learn new things about the market that I didn't know the previous day. And the more we learn, the more I see how corrupt this market is, and we really need real change in order to protect retail investors, okay? I did not know there was such things as pipe deals, okay? These are where certain companies, I'm not saying AMC's doing it, but there's certain companies who sells shares to private entities at reduced prices. And unless these private entities decide to resell the shares, they don't even have to report it. And then when they have to report it is when they decide to sell. But being that nobody really enforces the rules anyway, these bad actors can sell the shares without even reporting it. And if you look behind me, this is kind of how it works. They get into insider deals with the CEOs or the board of certain corporations. They sell them a bulk of shares at a discounted price. The retail investors who own the shares on the open market has no idea this transaction is going on. And everybody's making money. The insiders who sold the shares made money. The people who bought the shares at a discounted price are making money. And then you know who ends up getting hurt? Retail investors. Because then these entities that bought these pipe deals at a significant discount can just dump them into the market and make profit right away. And who ends up suffering? Who ends up diluted? Retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. I was not even aware that they were able to do this, that they could sell discounted shares to private entities without notifying anybody and technically pocketing the profits. And then these entities who bought these bulks of shares at a discount can now dump it in the market at market price, make a whole lot of profit, and then, of course, the price crashes, and who ends up suffering? Retail investors, pension funds, and institutions that follow the rules. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Did you guys know that they could do these toxic pipe deals without notifying any of the shareholders? Anyway, have a great day. God bless, and I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.